Not too much, y'all. Old Bay is a must. Not too much. I be telling people not to put too much sauce and seasoning, and then when you look in my bowl, it look like it's a ton of seasoning. I guess I'm just used to saying not too much. And just sprinkle a tad bit of this in there. Just a tad. That's it. Drop a little bit of this, just a little bit. Now we're gonna mix this up. Seasoning all over it. So I'm going to get this butter melted right here. I'm going to get this butter melted, put in the oven. So let's go. So I dropped a little bit of oil in here. I'm getting ready to dump my shrimp in there. I melted my garlic and herb butter. I'm going to put some minced garlic inside of here. Not too much, just enough to your desire. Right, we're gonna mix that up in a minute, just enough to your desire. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna put on the shrimp, and we're gonna get this going. We'll get it rocking and rolling. Right, so we're gonna let it heat up a little bit and start stirring it up. Right, so meantime I'm doing that, let me give it a quick cover, let it start heating up so it can steam up. So let me mix this up. We're gonna be dumping this in the shrimp in a second. Just gotta make sure it's right, you know. Just gotta make sure it's the right amount of minced garlic in it. It look like it can use a little bit more. It gives off a nice and lovely flavor, y'all. So let's check on the shrimp. So we'll be back. We're gonna get this rocking and rolling. We'll be right back. So I got my shrimp nicely steamed right now. I'm just gonna wait for everything to finish cooking, about another 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and throw my garlic and the herb butter inside of this alongside with my minced garlic. So let's go, y'all. So we got the shrimp almost done. The key thing about cooking shrimp, you don't want to overcook it, but you also don't want to undercook it. So now it's time to throw my garlic and the herb butter in here. I usually dump the excess water and that's in there, but because I'm using 2 pounds of shrimp today, that's gonna help me out a great deal. So let me go ahead and dump this in here. Nice and lovely flavor. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely flavor, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. Look at that. Look at that. Can't find this in no restaurant. Now it's time for a little taste test. That's all she wrote, guys. Don't overcook your shrimp. That's all she wrote. Do not overcook your shrimp. It's gonna come out tasting like rubber. Don't overcook your shrimp. So thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this video.